about the plane. How can you determine the equation of a plane? A plane is determined uniquely if any one of the following is known. The normal to the plane and its distance from the origin is given. That means equation of a plane in a normal form. It passes through a point and perpendicular to a given direction. It passes through three given non-collinear points. If three points are given, any one point is satisfied, then that time we can determine the equation of a plane. Then that time we can determine equation of plane. इसमें तीनों में एक डिफाइन दिया होगा तो एक दिया होगा तो हमने प्लेन का इक्वेशन निकाल. So that first of all we have discussed about the first point, that is the equation of plane in normal form, or the normal to the plane and its distance from the origin is given. If distance from the origin is given, then how can you determine the equation of a plane in normal? First of all, we have to discuss first point, that if equation of a plane in a normal form. Equation of plane in normal form, let a plane whose perpendicular distance from the origin is d. This is a plane. This plane is given here. So this is the origin. You let an arbitrary point, that is p, x, y, z. Let p be an arbitrary point on the plane. And now let un is a normal vector from the origin to the plane. This is un. Normal vector to the origin plane. That means we know that here n vector is a unit normal vector along un vector. So un vector is equal to dn cap. Un vector is equal to dn cap. Now here we know that pn vector and np vector is perpendicular to un vector. Why? If you take any 2 points inside a plane, on the plane, you join it, which makes a line segment. 2 पॉइंट को जोड़ने से एक लाइन सेगमेंट होता है. इसी लाइन सेगमेंट प्लेन का नॉर्मल के साथ परपेंडिकुलर ऑलवेज. So that's why here when vector is perpendicular to np vector, here so un vector is perpendicular to np vector. Now un vector is perpendicular to np vector, and un vector, that is dn cap, and np vector, that is equal to r minus a vector. R minus a vector. Now here, this is here np vector is equal to that is the r minus this vector, means un vector or a vector. Here un vector, that is equal to dn cap. Dn cap, that is r minus dn cap. That's why you can say here un vector is perpendicular to np vector. So un vector dot product with the np vector is equal to 0. That's why r minus dn vector dot product with dn vector is equal to 0. You can say r minus dn cap dot product with n vector is equal to 0. Means you can say r dot n cap is equal to d is equal to d is called vector equation of a plane. Here this is it. Simply you know that this way. So if it's r vector, this is a vector, this is then O and this is equal to P. What will do? That is the NP vector is equal to simple R vector minus A vector. Here A vector is equal to what? R minus dn cap. So here given UN vector is perpendicular to NP vector, that's why NP vector dot product to UN vector which equal to 0. That we know that R minus dn vector dot dn cap equal to 0. D is a constant. Taking right side it comes to 0. Now R minus dn vector dot n cap is equal to 0. After dot product, R dot n cap is there, then n cap is 1. So that's why only D comes, then goes to right side. So R dot n cap is equal to D, which is called the vector equation of plane in a normal form, which is called vector equation of a plane in a normal form. Now we have to find out that is Cartesian form of Cartesian form. Here Cartesian form of equation of a plane. Here let r vector is equal to xik plus yjk plus zkk and d is the perpendicular distance from the origin. And n vector is equal to lik plus mjk plus nkk. So r dot n vector is equal to d comes to l ik plus mjk plus nkk into dot product with the xik plus yjk plus zkk is equal to d. So lx plus my plus nz is equal to d. This is the equation of plane in Cartesian form. This is the equation of a plane in Cartesian form. If that is the direction, cosine is given lmn. If direction ratio is given, on that time what will do? aik, mjk, bjk and ckk. And r vector is equal to xik, yjk, zkk. Here direction ratio is then here direction ratio is A, B, C. Then the equation of plane is X, By, Cz is equal to D. If direction cosine of the plane is given Lmn, then we got the equation of a plane in Cartesian form Lx, My, and J. If A, B, C are the direction ratios of the plane, then what the equation of a plane, that Ax plus By plus Cz is equal to D, is equal to 0. Now comes to take some example. Let you take example, that is example 1. What you will say? Easy. 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Find the equation of plane at the distance of 6 by root 29 from the origin, and its normal vector from the origin is 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap is given. So what is the answer? So here given n vector is equal to 2i cap, 3j cap plus 4k. Why it is? क्यों हम n वेक्टर बोला? क्योंकि ना ये मैग्नीट्यूड 1 नहीं है, इसीलिए n वेक्टर. You make it magnitude 1 means you have to take the magnitude, that is 4 plus 9 plus 16 का root over, that is root 29. Now n unit vector comes to 2 by root 29 I cap minus 3 by root 29 j cap plus 4 by root 29 k cap. Now here we know that r dot n cap is equal to d is a vector equation of a plane. So that's why r dot 2 by root 29 I cap, 3 by root 29 j cap, 4 by root 29 k cap is equal to d is a vector equation of is required vector equation of plane. If you take that is r is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, then this is r vector is equal to xi cap yj cap plus zk cap, then Cartesian equation of a plane is the required Cartesian equation of a plane is, that is the 2 by root 29 x, 3 by root 29 y, 4 by root 29 z is equal to 0. This is the vector equation. This is the Cartesian equation of a plane. According to the question, this is the distance is given, this is the normal vector is given. Our formula is that r dot n cap is equal to d. So d given, n vector दिया था, that n cap मिल गया. So directly you can put the value in the place of n cap and the d. Then we got the required vector equation of a plane. Similarly, if you put the r vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus z cap, this is always r vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus z cap. Then the required Cartesian equation of plane is 2 by root 29x minus 3 by root 29y plus 4 by root 29z is equal to 0. Now take another example. Now take the example. Find the direction cosine of the unit vector perpendicular to the plane, that is given plane equation r dot xi cap minus vj cap minus 2k cap plus 1 equal to 0 passing through the origin. Now here n plane equation of a plane given, that is r dot 6i cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap plus 1 equal to 0. Now you have to write in this way, r dot 6i cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap is equal to minus 1. Here the distance comes negative, so that's why make it positive, that r dot minus 6i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap, make it positive first. That means you have to multiply in both the sides, that is minus 1. Now here we got n vector is equal to minus 6i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap. N vector that is given, why it is n vector? Because its magnitude is not equal to 1. So now you make it that is a unit vector, that means minus 6. First you have to find out the magnitude, minus 6 का square plus 3 का square plus 2 का square का root. That is simple. 36, 9 plus 4 means 7 comes. So here n vector is equal to minus 6 by 7 I cap, 3 by 7 j cap, 2 by 7 k cap. Now equation of a plane is the r dot minus 6 by 7 I cap, 3 by 7 j cap, 2 by 7 k cap, then is equal to 1 by 7. Here distance d is equal to 1 by 7 and direction cosines of unit vector or plane is equal to minus 6 by 7, 3 by 7, 2 by 7. Now take another question. That is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin. Then what is the coordinate point? You have to find out. Here, find the coordinate points of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the plane 2x minus 3y plus 4z minus 6 equal to 0. Let the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, this is the O point. P is the that is x1, y1, z1. Drawn from the origin to the plane. This is the plane. So from P point से origin तक, okay, that is a perpendicular distance, and P point का coordinate point, that is x1, y1, z1. Now it becomes OP line. This is origin 0, 0. So direction ratios of OP line is, that is simple, x1, y1, z1. Now the equation of plane in normal form, that is equal to 2 by root 29 I cap, sorry, x, minus 3 by root 29 y, 4 by root 29 z, minus 6 by root 29 is equal to 0. That means the magnitude of this is the direction ratio format. So magnitude of this means 2 square minus plus or minus 3 का square plus 4 का square का root over, that's why root 29. So that's why root 29 is divided by the equation, it converted to the normal form. अब ये नॉर्मल फॉर्म हो गया. Now direction cosines of the normal vector is 2 by root 29 minus 3 by root 29 and 4 by root 29. Here OP line is parallel to the normal vector. So direction cosines of OP line is 2 by root 29 minus 3 by root 29, 4 by root 29. Now we know that direction ratios and direction cosines are proportional. So x1 by 2 by root 29 is equal to y1 by minus 3 by root 29 is equal to z1 by 4 by root 29. Let's say this is equal to alpha. This question is the most important question. This is mostly important question. Now here the ratios are same. If ratios are same, now x1 is equal to this into this, y1 is equal to this into this, z1 is equal to this into this. Now this x1 and y1 lies on the plane, and the equation of plane is already given. In the place of x1, y1, z1, if you put the value, then we get the alpha value. We get the alpha. Now x1 is equal to, that is 2 alpha by root 29, and y1 is equal to minus 3 alpha by root 29, z1 is equal to 4 alpha by root 29. x1 and y1 here, x1, y1 and z1 is lying on the lies on the plane 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 6. So this point satisfies the equation of a plane. That's why 2 into 2 alpha by root 29 minus 3 into minus 3 alpha by root 29, then plus 4 into 4 alpha by root 29 is equal to 6. Now 2 into 2, 4 alpha plus 9 alpha plus 16 alpha by root 29 is equal to 6. Now here 29 alpha by root 29 or 29 alpha is equal to 6 root 29, or you can say alpha is equal to 6 root 29 by 29 means 6 by root 29. 6 by root 29. Now the coordinate point that is equal to x1 is equal to 2 alpha by root 29, which is equal to 2 into 6 by root 29. Root 29 means 12 by 29. And y1 is equal to minus 3 alpha by root 29. We minus 3 by root 29. Then minus only 6 by root 29. It comes to, that is equal to minus 18 by 29. Now z1 is equal to 4 alpha by root 29. That is equal to 4 into 6 by root 29 into root 29 means 24 by root 29. That means now we got the result is the coordinate point of the equation. What we got? Now x1 is equal to 12 by root 29, sorry, only 29. And y1 is equal to minus 18 by 29. And z1 is equal to, that is 24 by 29. That means these are the points that is lie on the plane. This is the foot of the coordinate points of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the plane, which is given. That is a very, very important question. So that you have to concentrate this, you get the result. Minimum in CBSE, that is the 8 to 10 times.